What's up, everybody? I wanted to do a quick video. I'm making this corner shelf. It's going to go on the edge of our kitchen cabinets, and it's going to be painted white. So that's why I use poplar, because it's not going to be stained. And there's going to be 3 shelves. This isn't cut to. This is just mocked up right now. This is going to be cut to 36 inches. So it's going to be 36 inches high, 12 inches wide to match the cabinet, and then it's going to be about, I think, just under, I think around 11 inches on the side that's going along the wall. And my issue was I wanted to match the 12-inch depth of my cabinets, so that's why I have over here butt jointed. So actually, this is how we go against the wall. This side is butt jointed, so that I get the 12 inches. Anyway, the shelves that are going to be here, we wanted to have a curve, a radius. So what I was thinking of originally, pull up my 1/4 inch scrap. If both sides were even, the same length, I could just put a string in the corner, tie a pencil on it, go across, have my perfect curve, cut it out, and I could clamp it and use a router with a flush trim, or I'd probably just cut it on the bandsaw. I can get it pretty close. The problem is this side is longer than this side, so this will be an ellipse. And I posted the question on how to do it on woodworking tips, tricks, and advice, awesome Facebook page, and I got a ton of awesome ways to do it. I don't have a protractor or a caliper, whatever you call it, to do a lot of the methods that people posted, which it's in my list to get to add to my shop. But I try to only buy really good tools, quality stuff. So some of my marking tools I haven't bought yet because they're expensive. Probably get like woodpecker or star and stuff like that. So I don't have that yet because I didn't want to just buy a cheap one, even though it would probably work. Anyway, so I used my scrap piece as a mock-up to see about what I wanted, and what I ended up using to do this was a really thin piece of scrap mahogany that I had. I was making the drawer pulls from my miter saw station, and I had some left, and I'm like, it's flexible. So this is one of the things that people said to try, which I did, and I liked it. So come over here so you can see. So I measured out about, I think this is 3.5 inches where I wanted the curve to start, ballpark. That's where we liked it. And then all I did was put this piece in here, went around like that to about let's get it to about the 3-inch mark. So right here is about 3 inches. So I started it there, and then I just matched the start of the curve up with my other mark, which is right here. So I had that on there, and I just traced it. That was it. Really simple, awesome method. I mean, if you wanted to, you could put a brad or a nail in if you wanted to actually have this fixed, get my hand out of the way, fixed to do it, but this way worked. So anything flexible you could do that with. There's a lot of other awesome methods for doing ellipses using either nails or some kind of pins and a string tied in a loop, where you put a pin in a pin, and then you basically just go around with your pencil inside the string, and it'll draw your ellipse. So now if this was, obviously if it was square, it would be no big deal. I could just draw it with a string and it would be fine. It was pretty cool seeing all the different ways to do this from everybody, so I appreciate it. Just wanted to put this on YouTube in case anybody else wants to do it, because I searched and didn't really find what I was looking for. So that's where it is. This is all just mocked up. It's not glued together or anything yet. Normally I would have run dados in here and then slid the shelves in and either glued and screwed, glued and brad nailed, or glued and doweled in. I'm not doing it because if I do dado, I'm going to lose a 1/2 inch there and a 1/2 inch here, and I already cut these, so I'm not going to do it. It's not going to hold any weight. It's more decorative. But if it was going to be something that you would see that wasn't going to be painted, I would have dated everything, and I probably would have done maybe like a half lap in the back, or even up lighter. But I'm not for this. Anyway, quick and easy shelf, poplar. It's 3/4 inch butt joint, and that's how I'm going to cut the radius or ellipse. So thanks for all the tips. I appreciate it.